graduation, my class of the year. And so this is our going away New Year's dinner for us. Okay, and what we have here are oven baked spare ribs. We have two kinds. We have spare ribs and we have St. Louis style cut spare ribs. They are different, trust me, in the way they're cut. And we have Tasty Tuesday, usual special potato salad. We have garlic rolls, and we also have some black-eyed peas. Okay, my grandfather sent me some of his black-eyed peas that he grows. So I got two kinds in here. I got the kind you buy from the store, and I got the kind that he sent me, and he sent them to me fresh. Okay, and then we have, you know, just like a little hors d'oeuvre or something if we want to chase it with sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, or red onions. We have that also. And these are the spices right here. This is the salt, and this is the special Tasty Tuesday spice. I ain't telling nobody what it is, but this is what I sprinkle on all my meats. And over here we have some soul food spice. Because we got soul food, we got ribs and beans, we doing it. Okay, and this here is brown granulated cane sugar. It's much more better than the white sugar that we normally buy. And this is the deal. And Happy New Year's to everybody, and especially Miss Karen. Thank you so much from Tasty Tuesday and the students. Take care.
Welcome, Tasty Tuesday. This is our last show of the year, and we're going to enjoy ourselves. Happy New Year.
Did you learn anything in class this year?
Yes,
ma'am.
Very good, thank you, because we're going to take a test next week.
Okay, all right. Looking forward.
Now we can sit there.
We learn how to eat good food.
That's
well,
good.
the
That's
beans
good.
look good, the ribs look good.
Now the ribs are so tender.
And the beans and potatoes,
man.
all good look good.
You taught us how to,
This is really nice.
yes, put a meal together, feed our family, nutritious, delicious, good fellowship, very good, very, very good teacher.
And good people.
And I hope we were good students.
I love y'all too.
We love you. We
Thank you.
appreciate
This
you.
is so nice and beautiful. I'm talking about I'm scared to eat it. But it's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty, I don't even want to eat it.
Let me
But
get
it is
my-
so good. Thank you, Tasty Tuesday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Karen. Karen Middleton, thank you
Yes,
so
yes,
much.
we appreciate you, Miss Karen, for all that you do
Provide for
and
us.
to make Tasty Tuesday possible.
For the community, yes, and we represent the community.
And
Wow,
again,
I'm
move into success.
Amen.
Amen.
talking about